Hello guys, welcome to Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Today we are going to practice telling our common health problems. Unfortunately, I have got a cold. In addition, I have got a cough. ዛሬ የምንመለከተው ርዕሰ ጉዳይ ምንድነው? የጤና ችግራችንን ለዶክተሮቻችን ወይንም ደግሞ ለሌሎች ለሚያክሙን ሰዎች የጤና ችግሮቻችንን እንዴት አድርገን ለጤና ባለሙያዎች ወይንም ደግሞ ለዶክተሮች ወይንም ደግሞ ለሌሎች ሰዎች መናገር እንደምንችል እንለማመዳለን ዛሬ። But first of all, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to answer my question? If you are ready, here is my question. What is the possible question that your doctor may ask you? ለምሳሌ ሕክምና ቦታ ሄዳችሁ ዶክተሩ ምን ብሎ ሊጠይቃችሁ ይችላል? ለምሳሌ በአማርኛ ችግርህ ምንድነው? የት ቦታ ላይ ይሰማሃል? ምንድነው ስሜት ምናምን ብሎ ይጠይቃችኋል አይደለ? ይቺ ጥያቄ በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ልትሆን ትችላለች ነው? The possible question that the doctor may ask you will be what is the matter? Okay? What is the matter? What is the matter? ተብሎ ቢጠየቃችሁ የጤና እክላችሁ ምንድነው ነው? The second possible question that you will be asked by the doctor can be what's wrong with you? Okay? What's wrong with you? Or you will be asked what brings you here? ሶስተኛው ደግሞ possibly ልትጠየቁት የምትችሉ ጥያቄ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? What brings you here? Look, if your doctor asks you what is the matter, or if your doctor asks you what's wrong with you, or if the doctor asks you what brings you here, your answer must be the health problem that you have got. እንደዚህ ተብላችሁ ብትጠየቁ የምትመልሱት ምንድነው? የያዛችሁ ለምሳሌ የበሽታ አይነት ምን እንደሆነ ትነግሩታላችሁ ማለት ነው። ሌላም ሰው ዶክተር ብቻ አይደለም አክቹሊ የሚጠይቃችሁ፣ ሌላም ሰው ጎረቤት የሚጠይቃችሁ ይችላል። what is the matter ብሎ ቢጠይቀኝ ለምሳሌ እኔ ሳሊ ያስለኛል አሁን ላይ ወይንም ደግሞ ጉንፋን ከያዘኝ አንድ ጓደኛዬ ጌታነህ what is the matter ብሎ ቢጠይቀኝ ምን እላለሁ? I have got a cough, or I can say I have got a cold ብዬ እመልስለታለሁ ማለት ነው። So what are your possible answers, or what will be your possible answers? If someone asks you what is the matter, or what is wrong with you, or what brings you here, you can answer by telling the health problem that you have got. So you can say, I have got a toothache. Okay? You can say, I have got a toothache. ጥርሳችሁን ለምሳሌ ቢያማችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? I have got a toothache. Toothache. The next one is you can say I have got a stomachache. ሌላኛው ሆዳችሁን የሚያማችሁ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? I have got a stomachache. How do you pronounce this word? You have to say it a stomachache. A stomachache. A stomachache ብላችሁ ነው የምታነቡት። And the next one is you can say I have got a cold. ለምሳሌ ጉንፋን ከያዛችሁ ምን ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ? If someone asks you what is the matter, you can say I have got a cold. In addition, you can say I have got a cough. አሁን እኔ ምን እያደረኩ ነው? እየሳልኩ ነው አይደለ? So if someone asks me what is the matter, I can say I have got a cough. In addition, you can say I have got flu. I have got flu. Or you can say I have got a backache. ለምሳሌ ጀርባችሁን የሚያማችሁ ከሆነ it is possible to say I have got a backache. The next one is I have got a pain in my legs. For example, እግራችሁን የሚያማችሁ ከሆነ I have got a pain in my legs ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ትኩሳትስ ካላችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? You can say I have got a temperature. ትኩሳት ካላችሁም I have got a temperature ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው። And finally, before I depart you, I am going to ask you the question, what is the matter? And then you are going to answer my question by watching the pictures. አሁን ደግሞ ጥያቄዎችን what is the matter ብዬ ጠይቃችኋለሁ። እናንተ ስዕሎቹን አይታችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? I have got እያላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ። For example, let's assume the person in the picture is you. Let's assume ስዕሉ ላይ ያለው ሰውዬ እናንተ ናችሁ እንበል። ስዕሎቹ ላይ ያለው ከዛ ምን ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ? I have got blank። ለምሳሌ ስዕሉ ላይ ያለው ራስ ምታት ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? I have got a headache እያላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ ማለት ነው። So are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, let's get started. What is the matter? I have got a headache. That is good. What is the matter? I have got a toothache. That is great. What is the matter? I have got a backache. That is great. What is the matter? I have got a stomachache. That is fantastic. So, that is all about today's lesson. But before I say goodbye, if you have got any health problem, don't forget to go and visit your doctors. Until next time, take care.